Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of the new 2018 McLaren 600LT. McLaren's latest LT, based on the 570S, has no specific build number, but will only be produced for 12 months. It is only the fourth car to be given the longtail name, and is powered by the same 3.8 litre twin-turbo V8 as most of their other models. But thanks to some refinements, it now produces 592 brake horsepower, up 30 brake horsepower, and 620 Nm of torque, up 20 Nm. This enhanced output leads to a decreased 0 to 62 mph or 100 km/h time of just 2.9 seconds, down 2/10. But the corners will be where the real differences will be felt. One of the most obvious changes is the new exhaust system, which also enhances the car's power in addition to its aesthetic and sound. It is somewhat reminiscent of that found on the Porsche 918 Spider. Let's hear how it sounds. The new lightweight carbon fibre bodywork, such as the enhanced 675LT style front splitter, the new wheel arch loops, the rear wing, which comes with a central heat shielded section to protect it against the flame-spitting exhausts, and below the large rear diffuser, come together to produce an extra 100 kg of downforce, lengthen the car by 74mm, and reduce weight by 96 kg over the standard 570S. Additionally, the 600LT suspension and braking comes from the 720S. Moving to the interior, there have also been some amendments and modifications, such as 600LT on the sill side, but most notably, the optional bucket seats the car shares with the Senna. Constructed from carbon fibre, they only have very slight amount of padding for optimal weight saving. There is also a new 600LT plaque in the central column, just before the cup holder. Let's now see the car hit the Festival of Speed Hill Climb. So what did you think about the new 600LT? Let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.